All right, let's unbox the Viltrox 25mm f1.7 lens for my Sony ZVE10 Mark II. We got a microfiber cloth. I have a bunch of these that I use and lose all the time. We got a lens pouch, and now for the lens itself. We got the back lens cap. Now this front lens cap is so much bigger than the one that's on my little kit lens. It actually feels weird taking it off. I finally have my first lens hood, y'all. Now it's gonna be very weird using this ring right here and then the lens not extending because I'm so used to that with my kit lens. This lens is plastic as well, but the build quality feels very nice. It doesn't feel like something that would be sub $200. Now this bad boy is not weather sealed, which is cool. My kit lens wasn't either. And the only other thing is you got a USB-C port for firmware updates. And just like that, we're ready to go. All right, let's see what the Viltrox lens is looking like, and we will compare it to the kit lens since that's what I'm coming from. And I'll have the settings like right down here so you guys can look at it. But let's see what this looks like. Let's see if it's worth it. I mean, it's only $176, so I already feel like it's worth it just by the way it feels out the box. Now we're on the kit lens. This is the lens I've been using since I got the camera about 12 months ago. The lens been getting it done, but I just felt like it was finally time to just do a little cheap upgrade. So let me know what you guys think. All right, let's do a quick little autofocus test. I'm not even looking at the screen, so I don't even know if this is working or not. Now let's see how well it focuses on me. You know, one thing I really like about testing this lens, everybody is not a professional. So I like to just give like the average consumer's perspective. So you're not always going to have the best background or the best lighting. So I wanted to test this lens out in different situations as you would just turn on your camera and record. And this is one of them. And I really like how it performs. Now, I personally would never vlog on this lens, being that it's at 25mm, and my Sony ZVE10 Mark II only has electronic stabilization, which provides a crop. But I just wanted to do an example of what it looked like if you were somebody like an amateur like myself and you decided to vlog with this lens on this particular camera with no IBIS. If you're coming from the kit lens, you will notice the weight of this lens just a little bit because it's about 170 grams, whereas the kit lens is 107 grams. So I definitely wanted to mention that. It's about 8 p.m. The sun is beginning to set. I'm underneath some trees for some shade. So this is like a slight example of low light. Now it's fully dark outside and this lens performs so well. My kit lens at 3.5 could never do this. So this is going to definitely lead me to shooting more. And now I can shoot more at nighttime without even carrying a light with me. This is very impressive. Now, I'm obviously no photographer, but I went out with the sun up and I went and took a couple of shots around the neighborhood just so that we can get an example of what the lens looked like on the Sony ZVE10 Mark II. Don't judge me too harshly, but I had a great time and I think I'm gonna be doing that even more. I was doing it with the kit lens, but with this lens, it is just way more fun with that background blurred out the way it is. But hey, that's all I got for now. Stay blessed, not stressed. Pray more, not less. I'm out.